Hey everyone. Picture this. You're sitting down for dinner, maybe catching up with your family after a long day, and suddenly, poof, the lights flicker out. Total darkness. Now what? If you're not prepared, a blackout can turn your cozy home into a stress zone real fast. But don't worry, I've got the 7 absolute must-have items to keep your family safe and comfy when the power goes out. First up, flashlights and batteries. Forget about hunting for candles that might be buried somewhere in the kitchen drawer. A solid LED flashlight will be your new best friend. They last longer, shine brighter, and with a stash of extra batteries, you'll never have to stumble through the dark. Next, a portable power bank. We rely on our phones for everything, right? News, updates, calling loved ones. When the electricity's out, a good power bank will keep you connected. Some even hold enough juice to charge your devices multiple times, which can be a real lifesaver. Now, don't overlook non-perishable food and water. When your fridge and freezer are down, you need shelf-stable meals like canned soup, beans, ready-to-eat snacks, and lots of bottled water. Aim for at least 1 gallon per person per day. Trust me, hungry kids in the dark are not a memory you want. Number 4, a first aid kit. Accidents happen, especially in the dark or when you're moving around unfamiliar spaces. Make sure your kit has bandages, antiseptics, and some basic meds. You'll thank yourself if something comes up. Item 5 is a battery-powered radio. When cell towers are down or your phone runs out of charge, a radio keeps you in the know about weather alerts or emergency info. Some even have hand cranks as a backup, so you're never totally cut off. 6th on the list, blankets and warm clothing. When the heating goes out, you'll be glad you've got extra fleece blankets, thermal wear, and cozy socks. Staying warm isn't just about comfort, it's about safety, especially for little ones and older family members. And finally, if you live in an area that's always getting hit with outages, a backup generator is a game changer. It can keep your fridge running, your phones charged, and a couple of lights on. But remember, never use it indoors because of dangerous fumes. So there you have it. 7 simple things you can put together today to turn a blackout from a disaster into just another cozy family adventure. Prepare ahead, stay safe, and keep the lights, well, at least the flashlights, on.